Back to the Stevens Untitled Rock Show / Taste of Chaos Tour Special. We had a blast out on the road, and we're already psyched to cover next year's tour. And one of the kindest, friendliest bands we've ever encountered here at Starrson turns out to be one of your favorites and one of the headlining bands on TOC. That was My Chemical Romance. And the day after we rode their bus, Gerard invited me on board again for...
Okay, I totally give up on that idea because it just cut out right before Gerard Way is going to start talking. Back to the video.
a little cosmetics party. Let's take a look.
We are going to do our makeup together. So we're going to come through here to the back of the bus. This is a Japanese suitcase. This is like my favorite thing in the whole world. And
Gerard knows what's up.
I keep all my makeup here and armband. I hang my suit. I keep my pajamas back here, which is what I change into as soon as the set is over.
Very sexy.
Like some of my favorite things.
Very rocket from the crypt. I love it.
So I'm going to grab the makeup.
Okay.
And we need tape. It's very important
Tape?
for what we're going to do today.
I hope we're not. Are we using the tape to pull hair out of places?
It'll happen.
Okay.
So, there's some MAC white that I use.
MAC is good.
He knows what's up.
I usually use this Urban Decay Gash and Ben Nye horror movie makeup.
Very, very good.
Okay.
Together, but we're going to do something different on Taste of Chaos. Let's see. We're going to do a bar, and what we're going to need to do is tape off parts of our face.
All right.
And then we're going to go over it.
Okay, so obviously Gerard is using Ben Nye MAC Pure White makeup. I do have white face paint, and I have used it before on me. I don't want to do that because the whole point of that was obviously for him to look pale. If I put white on me, I might be considered a racist. So that's why we're using trying to use a paler foundation on me. Palest foundation that I could find, which was appropriate. I'm just gonna be using this foundation.
What we're gonna do first is the white. It doesn't look white, but it really is. Okay, so dab in.
Okay.
Sponge. He's using a sponge.
Alrighty.
Okay?
And then where to?
Just start.
Just the whole face?
Just the whole face.
Whole face, alright.
You're trying to make yourself as dead looking as possible.
This is the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation in the shade Noisette. Needless to say, this is a full coverage look here. I know we're going to be doing a band over the eyes later, so I'm going to leave the eyebrows and the under eye area.
Did you go to clown college for this, or?
I went to art school.
Ah, yes. Same thing?
Basically.
Sure.
You're going to want to open up your lips, because you know how your lips have those little pivots in it?
Oh, okay.
You got to do the lips, too.
Lips as well? Jesus Christ.
And Frank is going to be doing...
Frank's doing something as well?
He does his own thing. He does X's over his eyes.
Am I doing this right? Am I okay?
Yeah, you're doing great. Let me see.
Am I good?
I mean, you're not going thick. And that's
Thick.
All right, man.
Okay, the boss said thick.
All right, get more on there then.
I want to earn my armband.
Oh, we'll get you one. Yeah, I was really bummed because
I
last
need
year
one
on
too.
Warped Tour I got a really bad suntan.
Suntan?
So
You had to buy more makeup?
Yeah, because I'm half Italian, so I tan really good.
Really?
And it's a bummer.
How are we looking? You good?
Let me see you now.
Good?
All right.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're pretty white. The best way to kind of do this is to do it yourself. So you take a piece of tape. You basically, let me try to do it on you.
Go for it.
Let me see. Okay. It's weird, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be easy.
Did you learn this in art school, or?
Not on the face, but I learned the process of masking because you mask a lot when you paint.
Okay.
And this is
So
gonna
much
be sweet.
easier to paint
I'm
with
excited.
masking.
You should be.
I don't really have the wardrobe for it, but...
Oh, well, maybe we could throw something together.
Okay.
I know we have some extra ties.
So, having me mini heart attack here as the one who did an actual makeup course, but I'm gonna be a wuss and put it in a arm, whatever that's called, the tape on there first, and then stick it on my forehead. A little bit of wax on, wax off motion here.
How to tie one, though.
Frank does. He went to Catholic school. So this is Frank. It's the black.
Alrighty, here we go.
This is the first part. We're gonna have to go over it.
Wait, Gerard. Sorry. Wait, not ready, Gerard. I know this is concert makeup, this is tour makeup, it has to be quick, it has to be fast, but I'm none of those things. I prefer masking tape over the cello tape trick that you see on Instagram, or you used to see on Instagram a lot, because masking tape has more of a grip.
We're gonna have to go over it with a brush,
Okay.
because this ain't gonna cut the mustard.
Alrighty. Hey, do you want me to go ahead and put this on while you tape your face?
Sure.
For the black today, I'm going to be using the Mayron Paradise Makeup Aqua face and body makeup paint. One or two of you will recognize this because I used it on my good friend Nick for the Emperor's New Clothes music video.
Okay.
Here you go. But you want to toss that on.
All right.
I'm going to tape my face.
I feel as if we're sharing things, Gerard.
We are now.
Nice. Oh, my eyes, Frank. You're just saying that to be nice. Oh, cool. Good.
So this is only a 3-day-old process now. I just started doing this, and so far it's worked. Okay, now I'm taped off. How's that going?
I think it's going...
Oh, he's using a brush.
Let me see you. You're very good. Okay, now we're gonna pull it off you.
God. Good work. Just do it.
You gotta do it kind of slow though.
Okay.
So it's painful.
Sure.
Yeah, that's pretty painful.
You're gonna make me laugh. Up. Oh, you did a good job.
All right.
You did a very good job. Nice, dog. You're in.
Oh my god.
I'm in the band. Nice. Oh, your line's straighter than mine.
No, I doubt it. And you gotta kind of do it yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Otherwise, you're never gonna learn.
No.
It's a little bit wonkier than this.
Yeah, that came out good. Now all you need to do is catch the flu.
Okay.
Have your mom yell at you for not calling, and then you're My Chemical Romance.
Nice.
Right on. Thanks, Steven.
No, thank you.
You look awesome, man.
Catch the flu.
You're welcome.
No, we are not catching the flu. That's the end of the video. I was gonna live stream it, but that failed for like the second time in a week. I'm just going over the jagged edges of the band with a flat concealer brush. I'm not too sure how the foundation's gonna react to the face paint, but we're here to learn and find out. Okay, you know what would have been the smarter thing to do? Okay, obviously to do the band first, probably take off the jagged edges with makeup remover, seeing as I took off the foundation I had beforehand. No primer, just skincare and foundation. Or I could genuinely just use water because it's water face paint. But we're gonna take a bit of makeup remover and some cotton tips and see how I go cleaning up with that first. As you can tell, I'm very much winging this tutorial today. So that's kind of the fun in it. I just remembered I gotta do the top half of this. And that, my friends, leaves us to the end of our video. If I was gonna do this for like a photo shoot, I would clean up the lines a lot better and be more prepared, obviously, just for a little bit of a laugh. I would have done a party poison tutorial, but I've obviously already done that. Check that out. Scroll down through my Instagram feed after this video. Stay safe, be kind to one another. There's nothing that I can say that you've already heard about coronavirus. This is only a temporary situation. It's not going to take over our lives. Maybe by the time lockdown is over, I will have perfected this band a lot better for no particular reason. Maybe to go to the MCR concert that I've dreamed of for several years. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.